Hey everyone, today the automotive world is constantly evolving, and Bajaj Auto has always been at the forefront of innovation, especially in the compact and budget-friendly vehicle segment. The Bajaj Qute 2025 is here, and it promises to revolutionize urban transportation with its unique combination of affordability, efficiency, and practicality. Let's dive into what makes this compact marvel stand out in the market. What is the Bajaj Qute? The Bajaj Qute is a compact quadricycle designed to provide an affordable, eco-friendly, and efficient commuting option. Initially launched as an alternative to traditional cars and motorcycles, the Qute has gained significant popularity in both urban and rural markets. The 2025 version builds on its predecessors with advanced features, improved performance, and enhanced safety. Key features of the Bajaj Qute 2025. Modern design with compact dimensions. The Qute 2025 sports a fresh, modern design that balances style with functionality. Its compact dimensions make it perfect for navigating congested city streets and narrow alleys while offering a surprising amount of interior space. Improved fuel efficiency. With rising fuel prices, the Qute 2025 focuses on delivering exceptional mileage. Powered by a refined 216cc engine, it achieves fuel efficiency figures of up to 35 km/L, making it one of the most economical options in its category. Environmentally friendly. The 2025 model comes with dual fuel options, petrol and CNG. The CNG variant is particularly appealing for those seeking a greener alternative, with reduced emissions and lower running costs. Enhanced safety features. Safety has always been a priority for Bajaj, and the Qute 2025 is no exception. It comes equipped with a reinforced monocoque chassis, seat belts for all passengers, and an anti-roll cage, ensuring maximum safety during your commute. Affordable pricing. One of the most attractive aspects of the Bajaj Qute 2025 is its price. Positioned significantly lower than most entry-level cars, it's an excellent choice for first-time buyers or those looking for a budget-friendly second vehicle. Smart technology. The Qute 2025 features an upgraded infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity, USB charging port, and a user-friendly interface, making your rides more enjoyable and connected. Who is the Qute 2025 for? The Bajaj Qute 2025 is ideal for a wide range of users. Urban commuters. Its compact size and impressive fuel efficiency make it perfect for daily city commutes. Small business owners. With its ability to transport small loads, it's an excellent option for delivery services and businesses. Budget-conscious buyers. Its affordability and low running costs appeal to those seeking maximum value for their money. Pros and cons. Pros: extremely affordable, compact and easy to maneuver. Excellent mileage. Dual fuel options, petrol and CNG. Low maintenance costs. Cons: limited top speed, ideal for city use. Smaller interior space compared to traditional cars. Why choose the Bajaj Qute 2025? In a world where mobility is becoming increasingly expensive and congested, the Bajaj Qute 2025 stands out as a practical, eco-friendly, and economical solution. Whether you're looking for a reliable personal vehicle or a cost-effective option for business use, the Qute delivers on all fronts. Final thoughts. The Bajaj Qute 2025 is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of smart urban living. Its affordability, efficiency, and versatility make it a game changer in the compact vehicle segment. With its launch, Bajaj Auto reaffirms its commitment to providing innovative mobility solutions that cater to the needs of modern consumers. Feel free to adapt this script for your YouTube channel. Let me know if you'd like suggestions for video angles, shots, or presentation styles.